Hey guys, it's Osby from Rough Country, and today we're going to check out the installation of our 07 to 14 Jeep JK 2.5-inch Coil Spacer Suspension Lift Kit. To begin the install, remove all four wheels. Remove the front stock sway bar links. Remove the front brake line bracket from the stock location. Remove the front factory shocks. Remove the coil springs, followed by the factory spring isolator. Then install the new coil spacer over the factory bump stop with the factory isolator as shown. Reinstall the factory coil springs. Then reinstall the brake line bracket using the supplied brake line extension bracket. Install the new shocks. Moving to the rear, remove the factory shocks. Remove the rear brake line bracket. Remove the factory rear sway bar links, and then install them in the front stock location. Remove the rear coil springs. Install the new rear coil spring spacer, followed by the factory coil spring isolator. Reinstall the rear coil springs. Remove the rear track bar, and then install the rear track bar drop bracket. Install the rear track bar to the track bar drop bracket. Install the supplied rear sway bar links. Install the new rear shocks. Reinstall the rear brake line using the supplied brake line extension bracket. Finally, install all four wheels. If you're interested in a kit like this for your Jeep JK, be sure to check us out at www.roughcountry.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram. And follow us on Twitter. From Rough Country, I'm Osby, and we'll see you next time.